When you see a private jet, you probably think that must cost a fortune. But how is that price actually calculated? Is it just about the distance? Spoiler, absolutely not. Every quote is a puzzle, and the aircraft itself is only one of the pieces. Let's break it down so you'll never look at a jet price the same way again. Every jet has its own hourly rate based on size, range, and operational complexity.
First factor, aircraft type. Your ride defines the bill. Think of it like cars. A compact hatchback won't cost the same as a Ferrari.
Light jets like a Citation Mustang,
Around 4,000 to 5,000 euros per hour. A Falcon 7X or Gulfstream G650, 10,000 to 15,000 euros plus per hour. Second factor, repositioning costs. Paying for empty seats.
here's the part most clients forget. Jets don't live at your doorstep. If your flight starts in Nice, but the aircraft is in London, someone has to pay to get it there.
Sometimes you're paying for two flights, one with you and one without you.
It's like booking an Uber and paying for it to drive from another city first.
Third factor, airport fees, the hidden bill.
Every airport has its own charges: landing, handling, parking, security, and trust me, they add up. A small regional airport, maybe 300 euros total. London Luton on a busy Friday, 2,000 euros plus just to touch the runway. And yes, some airports require special handlers, customs arrangements, or even extra taxes just to operate there.
Fourth factor, crew availability and rest rules.
Your pilots aren't robots. They can only fly a legal number of hours per day. If a mission requires more duty time or an overnight stay, the client covers hotels, meals, and sometimes extra crew repositioning. Multi-leg European tours are long-haul trips. These costs can multiply fast.
Fifth factor, extras, because nothing is really free.
Snacks might be included, but if you want sushi from your favorite restaurant, that's billed separately. Long-range jet Wi-Fi, sometimes charged per megabyte. Flying with pets, customs clearance and special handling can be added too.
Sixth factor, urgency. Time is money, literally.
Need to fly today? Operators might add 10 to 25% to the price. Why? Because they have to scrabble, reposition the jet, get urgent permits, and ready the crew all under pressure. So, next time you see a jet price, remember, it's not just about the kilometers. It's about the entire operation that makes your flight possible, from where the aircraft is parked right now, to who's flying it, to what's in your glass once you're on board. And if you want to know how to actually get better deals in private aviation, even if you've never booked a jet before, stick around. More videos are coming. Subscribe now and follow me on Instagram at JetWithCasas for insider tips and real behind-the-scenes stories.